marks over 500 buildings in fresh demolition exercise. A whole 500 buildings to demolish, and I know 70% of these buildings are owned by Igbos. I'm very sure. They are still teaching these people a lesson, and they are not listening. They are not learning. When that man say you should learn, learn. If you don't want to learn, you learn in a hard way. Igbos know they listen. 500 buildings to be demolished. The same country you offered nothing. You weaponize poverty. We have nothing, no jobs, no employment, no infrastructure, nothing. Not even quality, like I said, qualified or quality health care. We are demolishing buildings. Wait till now. This government, what they do is just anyone that enter, it will demolish for his own favor. Like,
let's watch it again.
So why am I feeling that Tinubu and his government willingly appointed Wike as FCT minister against Igbos? Look at this news. FCT administration under Nelson Wike marks over 500 buildings in fresh demolition exercise. A whole 500 buildings to demolish, and I know 70% of these buildings are owned by Igbos. I'm very sure. They are still teaching these people a lesson, and they are not listening. They are not learning. When that man say you should learn, learn. If you don't want to learn, you learn in a hard way. It was not a listing. 500 buildings to be demolished. The same country you offered nothing. You weaponize poverty. We have nothing, no jobs, no employment, no infrastructure, nothing. Not even quality, like I said, qualified or quality health care. We are demolishing buildings. Wait till now. This government, what they do is just anyone that enter, it will demolish for his own favor. Like,
this lady is saying what the right thing, but one thing is that Igbos, as she's making this video, some are digging foundation next tomorrow in Abuja. Some are doing everything to, so if you what must be. If you are God has designed that you must be a victim, you will be a victim. Unless maybe by his mercy you can be free from that, but you cannot change it no matter how you shout. But those who will listen will listen, those who will not will be a victim. It is obvious. You must not control everything. So let's not waste our time on that. If we want to demolish 1,000 buildings, the more he demolishes, the more easier it becomes for Biafran to make decision faster. Because if that house is actually what makes some of them kick against Biafran, once they've been destroyed, then their sense will come back to normal. Diana said, this Biafran generation will teach them all lessons they will never forget. PM is still doing press up for them. When the time comes, they will run. Armstrong says, Stinker is seeing Biafran, I think you mean Soyinka, because of the government in exile. The way the government in exile is the way the government in exile is very organized, is why Zoo is panicking. Really? That could be the truth, because in fact that is the truth. Why are they not commenting? Why are they not making such comment they're making now before? The game is changing, to be honest. Do you see all of these errat dogs bagging on media we are sent by Ifeanyi Oba and Ifeanyi Ejiofor just to save their shame? But the dog have been bagging for 3 years and they couldn't do anything. People are not afraid. People are no more longer even paying attention to the bargain. Once they're doing whatever they're doing, it doesn't make any sense, because everybody is now seeing their strength. So why must we even contemplate on that? They don't want it. They don't want it at all. So guys, we have come to